body and how they look, what they look like. Please, before I go forward further, like, share, and press the button. Anytime I upload a new video, be the first person to not be notified. Thank you all. Thank you, YouTubers. Thank you. Thank you. Today, I'm here to speak about self-esteem. 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 Because I've realized that a lot of people don't really have self-esteem. They don't really like themselves. They don't love themselves. Fine. So today, I am here to say, for you to be loved, or if you have love, or you want to be loved, or you don't love yourself, you become under the self-esteem category. Now, I want to emphasize on women, on men, or anybody that have self-esteem. The reason why I came up with this topic today about self-esteem is about me in particularly. For the past couple of weeks, this thing has been on my head, banging constantly, so I need to say it and bring it out as it is. I am somebody who loves myself. I put myself in that category. It doesn't matter how I look or what I've looked like now. I love myself. So do you. So you should be loving yourself. Because anybody that don't love themselves, they will not be able to share love to other people. Be able to love yourself. Appreciate who you are. Appreciate yourself. Don't allow nobody to bring you down. Do not give the excitement, the fantasy to other people to deliberate on your own issue and how you look, or what you don't look like. First of all, these people that talk about you, bring you down, or want to bring you down all the time, have they looked at themselves first in the mirror before opening their own mouth to talk about you? No, they don't. But they're out there telling people how they look, what they don't look like, or saying nasty stuff to people, which is really wrong. And that's why I need to talk about it. Because like me, for the past couple of days, I have received messages. From other people, like a specific person, which I know. I knew this person actually.
Hey.
I knew this person.
Mama.
So literally.
Why do you upstairs dance?
So literally, I have literally come with this topic because there's a person that saw me on the road with one of my friends. I was taking my children to the park. So she stopped me and looked and said, "Oh, Christina, how comes you've gone so big? You're too fat." That's the exact word she used. You're too fat, you're too big. And I'm like, okay, I ignore it and not just put it into my mind or forget about the whole thing that happened, or should I just say I forgot about it because she just embarrassed me right in front of people, or she just embarrassed me right there on the road. So the thing I said was, okay, I'm going to forgive that and forget about it. So, and move on. So only for a week later, the person called me back and said, "Oh, just in the morning, I'm sleeping, people are sleeping." She woke up and called me. You know, like when you have these possessed people that just think about your issues and don't think about their own, or rather the way they feel, they want to take it out on somebody, or for them to get reaction from you, or for you to say something nasty back to them. No, I didn't react to it. She called my phone and said, "Oh, Christina, you're fat. Why could you've gone so big? big and fat. And I ignored it. I still like, how can somebody just pick up the phone, say nasty stuff to you, to bring your self-esteem down, to bring who you are down? If I was somebody that do not love myself, or don't have self-esteem or confidence in myself, I would have been wondering, maybe not even eating, or maybe just go on a serious diet. But I take a look at myself, I said, I cannot please people. I need to learn to accept who I am and for myself. And as long as I'm happy in my own skin and in my own body, or the way I look like, I don't care about what people say. This is me. I was literally skinny. I was skinny before I have children. I was skinny before all of this. So I can't go back to that. I have 3 children already. But this person, if they look at themselves, she is bigger than me. Or rather, she has weight than me. But I cannot turn around and say, oh, take a look at yourself. But did she look at herself first? So that is why I came to say this to us, especially women. Us women. Believe in yourself. No matter what, do not allow somebody to bring you down. Appreciate yourself. Be confident in yourself. Stay positive in yourself. Don't allow people who lack confidence in themselves to bring you down or to take you down into their own stupid levels. Do not allow it. Always stand for what you believe. Always try to be who you are, and don't be who you are not. Don't allow people to bring you to do things to you or to make you become who you were not, or who you are not supposed to be. Don't allow that. Stay true to yourself. If you have all this, be confident in yourself. Be truthful. Reach for your goals. Always stay confident and appreciate yourself. Try and accomplish your dreams. Try and accomplish what your goal is. Don't allow stupid people, minor people to stop you to do your own thing or to become who you want to become. Let them judge. They're judging themselves. I say anybody who don't like themselves are the ones who will talk about people or say nasty stuff about people. But me, I don't care. So should you. You should never care. Don't care. Because now at the time when you should not even bother about people's own nonsense or what they say or what they don't say about you or what they dislike or what they don't dislike. Who are they? So now, I encourage you all to gain that self-esteem. Don't let nobody take it away from you. Now, when you have this self-esteem, that is where you have love. Love yourself first. Do you love yourself enough to show love to others? If you don't love yourself, you cannot love somebody. If you don't love yourself, you cannot share love to others. And you will feel unloved. Love yourself. Don't care about anything else. Put yourself first. Love yourself. The Bible said, love your neighbor as yourself. Because it means that you have to love yourself to be able to share love to other people. Do you feel deep affection in you? Do you feel deep affection in you? Do you feel like when you have a boyfriend or a man to say, oh yeah, I love myself? Do you feel confident in yourself to become naked to them? To show yourself without the lights turned off? Do you love yourself? Any man that puts you down, any man that says nasty thing to you, do not love themselves. It's not like they don't, it's not about you. It means that they don't love themselves. Because you cannot say nasty thing to me when you know that you love yourself. But if you love yourself, that means that you will love me too. You will share the same love you have for yourself to others. Then you have a big love to share to the whole community or the whole world. Love. Love yourself. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Keep the laugh. Don't show people that, oh, you're stressed, you have problems. No. Be happy. Go for your dreams. Accomplish your dream. By that way, you will see somebody that who you will have the right person to come to you. You will have the right person to acknowledge you. You will have the right person to come to you. You will have the right person that will appreciate you who you are, because you first of all appreciate yourself. You don't put yourself down. Don't put yourself down for nobody. Don't let anybody underestimate who you truly are. Don't give the day or whatever to anybody. Don't give them this satisfaction, should I say. I put it this way. Don't give them the satisfaction. These people might not fall in any of these categories that I've just mentioned. They don't have self-esteem. They don't love themselves. Because if you love yourself, you will love somebody else. Always go for your goals. Be proud. Lift your head high. Hold your shoulders. Yes, I am Christiana. I love myself and I don't care if somebody don't love me. When I love myself, I know and believe that the right person that is meant for me will come to me, because they know what I possess. They know what I have. They know my capability. They know what I'm capable of doing. They know me for who I am. And the true person that I am. I teach my children not to bring anybody down. No matter whatever your skin color is, your background, whether you're rich, you're poor, you're middle class. Don't bring anybody down, whether if that person is a beggar. If you're not able to help that person, leave them alone. Leave them alone and mind your own business. There's 1 million things to do with your life instead of minding somebody's own business. Look at yourself in the mirror in the morning. Say to yourself, even if somebody don't tell me today that, Christina, you're beautiful. I know I am beautiful. You know you are beautiful. I have my confidence. I will stand in the mirror and say, wow, I am beautiful. It doesn't matter the clothes that I wear. It doesn't matter what the label of this clothes is. The person that matters here the most is you. The person in the coat is the one that matters, not the coat itself. I know what I stand for. I know what I gain. I know who I am. And so should you. So my brothers and sisters, don't let nobody put you down. Don't let nobody take your joy. Don't let somebody spoil your happiness. Don't let somebody say, you cannot find love because look at the way you are. Tell them, yes, despite I've gone big, I've put on 1 or 2 pounds weight. I don't care. I love myself and I accept myself just the way I am. Just the way you are. Learn not somebody to bring their own rubbish to your doorstep and fall for it and sit there and feel sorry for yourself or start crying about it. Don't. If you don't have nothing to say them, you have their number on their phone, block their number, delete them, so next time they will not get to you. Yes, I say so. Block their number, delete them so they don't get to you. Stay truthful to yourself. Always, when you have somebody you like, maybe that person loves you, or they like you, they don't know how to come and say it to you. Maybe they're in front of you. Eye contact tells a lot. Body language tells a lot. You have to pick on those things and know whether this person loves you or not, or they like you or not. Me, I like myself. I love myself. There's no need for you to say, Christina, I love you, or you're beautiful. I am beautiful and I know it. And I love myself. So you have no choice than to love me. So where is the problem? I did not bring my matter to you. I concentrate by myself. People forget that things happen to other people, but then you want to always blab, 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 blab on people's issues. No. Keep appreciating yourself. Accept the needs of other people when you fall in love. Know their love, signs, and the languages of love. If you love somebody, touch them, talk to them, make eye contact, smile, make time for them if you love that person. Bring all your personality. Me, I have very strong personality. So some men are intimidated by me because of my personality. It's not bad, it's a good, because I always try to voice out how I feel, what I feel, or who I am. I hide no secrets. When I'm in a relationship, I make sure that I love myself and I love the person that I am with, so that he or I will be able to complement his own self. So you see, I love myself, I acknowledge myself, appreciate myself, so that way I'll be able to extend every love and gratitude that I have for myself to the next person that I said I'm in love with. Know what you want and go for what you want. Know your stance. Don't turn back. If you love someone, go for it. Tell them the way you feel. This is not the days when people start hiding. Oh, I love this person, I'm blushing, but I don't know how to tell them. Come on, man. Put that one aside. Forget about it. If I don't like you, I will tell you that, listen, my friend, I don't like you. I don't want you. No relationship. It's not like I hate you. I love you as a human being, but I don't love you as in love. Love in a relationship. No. So for you to not to find, I will not put you down, because me, I don't judge the book by its cover. I judge the person inside of the book. Inside the book. I look for the heart of that person. I look for the personality of that person. I look for that person, who they truly are. Who they are. That's what I look for. I look for time. I look for respect. I look for happiness. Not arguments. Because the world is so stressful these days to start arguing with some stupid people for some stupid things. For some stupid reasons. So I don't have that time to argue. Put argument one side now. Corner it. I don't have that time. I know this video is long today, but I just want to say this to all my friends and fans. Please love yourself first, so you will get your esteem. Your self-esteem will come in everything. You will not even care of what somebody will say to you or what somebody don't say about you. No, when somebody come, brush them, flush them, put your shoulders high, my neck is high. I'm reaching for the sky. I don't care about whoever is talking their own nonsense. It's because you don't like yourself. Yes, I've put on pounds and weights. So be it. But I still love myself. And any man that wants me, that loves me, will come to me at the right time. So they will come to you. Don't put yourself for less. Always raise your standards high. Respect yourself, respect somebody else. Block your ears from negativities. Don't encourage negative people around you. Because then you will encourage them to bring you down, to take you down with themselves. Because they have none of these things that I've just mentioned in them. So they look for their victim that they will take down with themselves. So please, stay truthful to yourself. Stay confident. Be happy. Go and accomplish your dream. Me, I don't do anything to please nobody. Not anymore. Those were the days that I said, oh, I will satisfy and please this person because they've said A and B. I don't care. I satisfy myself. I do what makes me happy. And I please myself. And I know that when I do it, I have no regrets. No regrets. Do things that you don't have regrets. Don't do things that you say, oh, I wish I didn't do it and I regret it. No. Nothing is by mistake. Things happen. You learn from them. Things go wrong. You take the positive side of the wrong thing and turn it to positivity. Turn it to positive for your own sake and work with it. Self-esteem. Be courageous. Be peaceful-minded person. Be happy within yourself. Then you will live long. When you're happy within yourself, you live long. Oh, you live long. I will tell you, because you're happy. Why the other miserable people out there? They're making themselves unhappy by talking about you. You don't give a damn about them. You don't even care about them. If I like, my leg is big. I don't want to be skinny anymore. Is it by force? It's not by force, Sha. Everybody have their own business now. Everybody have their own body. If you want to be skinny, drink all the concoction in the world. I don't care. I am staying who I am. And this is me, Christiana, sister. And this is Moha. And I don't care about what the world will say about my body. Do you see how many celebrities have died through anorexic? They have anorexia. They become like fish bones because they don't want to chop. They don't want to eat. They want to look. But come on now, you that look like fish bone, and me that look like elephants. Let's wear clothes. Let's dress up. And let me show you my curves. Let me show you this. What God has given me. Natural. Everything about me is natural. It's not artificial. So I'm not begging anybody to like me or not. Because I already love myself. I already like myself. So leave me the hell alone and mind your own business. All these celebrities dying out there, or you people are killing yourself to drink concoction to want to be skinny. You become like a skeleton. You turn out to be like a fish bone or skeleton. Leave me alone, no. Let me mind my own. This is me. Please, I'm just staying truthful to myself. I'm just saying it real as it is. This is me, Christiana Sese. Please like and share my video. Thank you and stay blessed. I love you all, my Facebook, my YouTube fans. Stay blessed. I love you. I'll be back next week to bring more interesting topics about responsibilities. This one here, I'm sure the video might be half an hour because some people are complaining already my video is long. But I don't have short topics. Not now, not yet. This is reality. I have to say it's real. Don't allow no one to bring you down. Stay blessed. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you all.